and welcome back to my channel. I figured since we went to Hobby Lobby and see what they had for spring and Easter decor, I should follow up and show you guys what Dollar Tree had in their Easter and spring decor section. It is February, so I'm sure they do not have it all out yet, but this store is one of the better Dollar Trees I've been to, and I always come back to it. In this Dollar Tree, you can actually walk down the aisles. Everything is pretty clean, and they always have their stock out and the shelves full. But this video does have clips from more than one Dollar Tree. Some of them were smaller Dollar Trees. This one that I'm in right now is a Dollar Tree Plus, so just keep that in mind. This is not all of one Dollar Tree. And if there is another place that you guys want to see what they have for spring and Easter, please leave it in the comments below. I wanted to maybe make a pit stop at Michael's craft store to see what they had around for spring and Easter decor. I just haven't made it there yet, but again, if there's another store that is local to me and you guys want to see it, please just leave it in the comments and I will try my best to get there. I did stop at TJ Maxx for a second to see what they had, and they had a few things. It wasn't a lot, but you can always find more clips and pictures from what I find. I usually post smaller things on TikTok or even in the shorts form of YouTube. I just want to keep you guys updated on what I see to save you a trip or maybe inspire you to go out and get that item. And stick around till the end of the video. I end up showing you guys what I got from Dollar Tree for Easter and spring that I will try to use to craft with or decorate with. But to keep up with whatever I do with these items, just hit that subscribe button below. I am so close to 1,000 subscribers, and I would appreciate any subscribers that come my way and any feedback you guys have. If you have any ideas for crafting from the stuff I got from Dollar Tree, feel free to leave it in the comments. We can always get inspired by each other, and I might just like your idea and want to try it for myself, so feel free to leave it in the comments too. Okay, enough of me rambling on and on. Enjoy the Dollar Tree walkthrough, and I will see you guys next week to see what we do with these Dollar Tree items. For anyone new to Dollar Tree, they have started rolling out Dollar Tree Plus aisles that have items for $3 and $5. If you're lucky enough to have one of these aisles in your store, they are great finds, just with a little bit of a higher price tag. You can find online on the Dollar Tree website which stores have these Plus aisles. I know they have been adding more and more of these aisles to Dollar Trees this year. My cousin actually reached out and was like, I finally have a Dollar Tree Plus aisle. And I was like, I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, because she loves seasonal decor. So she'll be spending a lot of money in this aisle. But it's always great finds, and it's always more than seasonal. There's usually a seasonal area, a home area. There used to be a crafting area. It's kind of slimmed down a little bit. and then the automotive area too with electronics. So they do fit a lot into this small little aisle, but it is always worth it. This is what I bought from Dollar Tree for spring/Easter crafting. I saw these carrot and rabbit metal frames, and I figured I could either make a pillow again out of them or maybe a wreath. I really haven't decided. These pillowcases I saw the first time at Dollar Tree. I think this is a new thing. I saw them at Christmas time, and now they have Easter pillowcases. So of course I grabbed way too many for more than just myself. I also always like to refresh and just add some seasonal touches. So of course I bought some pot holders and then a tablecloth for Easter. Next are just some things I figured I could craft with, like these Easter beads to put around something or maybe even take apart. I really haven't decided. Along with these carrots, I'm pretty sure I'm going to make like a Easter spring scene, and they will probably be added to that decor piece. Next is this ribbon mesh. Not really sure what I'm gonna do with it. And then flowers, of course. I will think of some craft project to do. A lot of the stuff, you're just gonna have to subscribe and see what I figure out to do with these things. I get new ideas every minute of the day, scrolling through every social media app and seeing what other people do, and then I just try and recreate my own. Peeps is a big thing in my family, so anything Peeps I just feel like I kind of have to buy. And then I saw this decorative grass. I think it would be a good foundation piece for like a table runner. Again, more Peeps. And this is everything I bought. Make sure you subscribe below to see what I end up doing with all of this stuff. And I will see you guys next week for more Dollar Tree crafting or maybe another store. We'll see. See ya.